Press the Add Modifier button to add a Physic Modifier. Select the body mesh and press the Add to Physics button to apply the physics effect. With physical materials defined as presets, physical effects can be easily applied to the slime. Press the Physics Presets button. Apply rubber soft material similar to slime. Press the Start Editing button to turn on Edit mode. The physical material applied to the mesh must be assigned to each vertex. Select vertices. Because the vertices have the same material, set the viscosity group ID equal to 1. First, set the weight to 1 for vertices. You can test the physical material by pressing the Wind button. Set the weights of vertices at the top and bottom of the slime to 0. Select the vertices that should have the greatest elastic effect and apply the important setting. Now select the remaining vertices and use the blend function to make the weights natural. Bake and check out the physics effects in the scene.